Dr. Amy Sapola, Director of Pharmacy with an F at the Chef's Garden. And today I'm cooking at home with my kids. So we're back to school and we're gonna make some back to school easy lunches that the kids are gonna do themselves. So first we're gonna start with snacky vegetables, and there's so many great options. We have pineapple tomatillos, which really are just in this little husk, and they're delicious. They have a really great pineapple flavor. Do you want it? And then we have cucumbers, which are always a hit, and cucamelons, which look like, what does this look like?
Watermelon.
Yes, like a little watermelon, and they have kind of a lemony flavor.
But they taste like a cucumber.
Yes, exactly. And then, what's this, Rocco?
Carrot.
Carrots, yeah, and we have a lot of colorful carrots. And the color is really fun. Yeah.
When you bite on the cucumber, it float in your mouth.
Yeah, they explode in your mouth. That's true. They're juicy, huh? Yeah. And then we have olives to add a little bit of saltiness. We have some feta cheese, rainbow peppers, which are sweet peppers, and of course, everybody's favorite, cherry tomatoes. And with our classic, like cherry tomatoes and carrots and peppers, as you can see, you can get so much different color. And color is flavor, color is phytonutrients, and color is creativity. So let's get started. What do you want to fill up? These are just little, they're basically out of wheat straw, and they're bento boxes. So they're reusable, and you can use them again and again for lunch. These are really easy. They have a little snap-on lid, and the kids can take them in their backpacks or in their lunch boxes with no problem. So in the first 3 containers, let's put, what do you think for like a snack? Okay. Ooh, I like ground cherries too. Yeah, you could pull the wrappers off, or you could pull them off at school, either way. Ooh, I like that. This looks like the red-orange compartment. Do you want to grab some cucamelons? What do you like about cucamelons?
That it float in your mouth when you bite them.
Yeah, they're really good. With these little lunch boxes, you can also always send a little container of dressing or hummus. Kids love to dip, huh?
Yeah.
What do you guys like to dip in the most?
Ranch.
Ranch?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. You can send some ketchup for your vegetables. All right, so let's make some pasta salad. Pasta salad's great because it's cold, and so it can go in school lunches. You don't have to reheat it. You can add your own vegetables to your pasta salad. Yeah, we might have to restock those olives, huh? All right, so I got you each a bowl so that you can mix it up, and then we'll put it right in this little container, okay?
That's enough.
That's enough? You guys are like artists and chefs, right?
This is a little one, and then this is a big one.
Yeah. Can I sneak in there and fill up your olives? All right, cool. How many olives do you want? Is that good? One more scoop?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then put
There you
some
go.
more.
All right, so once you've mixed it up, you can pour it right in this little area there.
Do I help? I think I have too much.
Do you want me to help you?
I'll just...
You can kind of tip it up. Then you have some leftovers for dinner, right? So for the pasta salad, we used just a gluten-free red lentil pasta. I dressed it with a really simple dressing that we actually all made together, didn't we? And it was just olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, some salt, and then some herbs from our garden. And really you can change the dressing seasonally or just throw in it whatever you have as far as flavor goes. What do you think? 2 thumbs up? What do you think? Good. This is so fun to have the kids in the kitchen cooking and kind of creating their own masterpiece, right? And I feel like usually if kids cook it themselves, they're way more likely to eat it. Thank you for joining us in our kitchen today. You can find all of these vegetables and many more at farmerjonesfarm.com. And I hope you'll share pictures of you and your kids cooking in your kitchen. You can share them with us on Instagram.